Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with travelers, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Finding a reliable method for budgeting while traveling can be straightforward. Begin by assessing your total travel budget. Consider your main expenses, such as accommodation, transportation, food, and activities. Create a list of anticipated costs for each category. Next, allocate portions of your budget to each category based on your travel plans. Determine your daily spending limit by dividing your total budget by the number of days you plan to travel. Use budgeting apps or spreadsheets to help track your expenses in real time. Ensure you include a buffer for unexpected expenses, like last-minute attraction fees or emergency situations. Next, prioritize your spending based on your interests and essential needs. Consider research on free or low-cost activities at your destination. Once you have a clear plan, monitor your spending daily to stay within budget. Be flexible and willing to adjust your budget as needed throughout your trip. At the end of each day, review your expenses to see how they align with your budget. If you find you've overspent, reassess your plans for the following days. Apply any savings from previous days to enhance your experience later in the trip. Finally, keep a record of your actual expenses for future travels. This will inform your budgeting strategy for your next adventure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.